In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch your website using Framer's free hosting. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a creative professional, or just someone wanting to showcase your work online, Framer offers an incredibly user-friendly platform for creating and publishing your website quickly and cost-effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and type Framer into the search bar. This will bring up the official website, which is your gateway to endless possibilities for creating a stunning online presence. Once you've reached the Framer homepage, the next step is to log in. If you haven't already created an account, you'll want to go ahead and do so. It's free and only takes a few moments. After logging in, you have the option to kickstart your project by choosing either a free template or starting with a blank canvas. This flexibility allows you to design with ease if you prefer structured guidance or a freehand approach. Selecting a template comes highly recommended for those who might want a little creative nudge or are working on a tight schedule. Templates will also ensure that your website is polished and professional right from the get-go. Now that you've set up the framework of your site, it's time to move into the fun part: personalization. Framer features a drag-and-drop editor, which couldn't be simpler to use. You can effortlessly add elements such as text, images, and videos, and customize layouts to ensure your site is optimized for various devices, from desktops to smartphones. Spend some time organizing your content and making it shine. Remember, a well-organized site is not just pleasing to the eye, but also improves user experience. When you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to make it live. Look towards the top right corner of the editor, where you'll find a prominent Publish button. Clicking this will immediately launch your website onto a unique Framer.app subdomain. It's really that quick and simple. Next, you might want to tweak a few more settings to personalize your web identity further. Head back to the top right corner and find the Share or Publish menu. From there, you'll be able to access the site settings, where you'll locate the option to change your website's URL under the free Framer domain. Finally, this is your chance to enter your desired subdomain, something memorable like yourwebsite.framer.app. Remember, it's always best to pick something catchy that reflects your brand or purpose of your site. Once you've decided on the perfect URL, save your changes, and there you have it. You've just launched your own website using Framer's free hosting. Congratulations! With your new online presence, you're ready to reach a wider audience and share your content with the world. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.